Hi guys, and welcome to another video. Today we have this stunning Ford Ranger. This is a 4x4 2016 model. It's in excellent order. Let's take a look around. Here we have the front end where we've got these lovely wide fenders. We've got these lovely headlights and blacked out grille. We've got a bull bar on the front. This is a 2016, it's on a private registration, G14 OCD, which will come with the car. Here we have the snorkel. We've got these lovely Vossen 22-inch alloys, all in amazing condition. Tyres are absolutely bang on. So are the brakes. This car has a full MOT, which will expire in June 2025. Here we have the driver's side. Nice and tidy. There are no dents or scrapes on this car. The car is obviously fully HPI clear. Here we have the back alloy, nice and clean. Tires all absolutely spot on. Here we have a view of the side. As you can see, lovely paintwork. We've got these backlights as well, smoked. Here we have the back end, nice and tidy. There you can just see the bed. We can actually open this up and there you go. Lovely room back there. This does of course close up, and we can close that one as well. Let's see if I can pull it across. I think it's, let's try to, so there we go. That's that nice and closed, and we can close this one up. This one does lock into place. It does lock into place. Here we've got the passenger side. Nice and shiny. We've got the passenger back alloy, nice and clean. Passenger side doors, fantastic order all throughout, to be honest. Let's take a look inside. We've got all leather seats, electric windows all around. This is a 5-seater model. This is fully electric and heated. Controls are down there. We've got the 2-wheel drive, 4-wheel drive options. We've got a Bluetooth screen inside, radio, passenger seat. We've got rear privacy tints. Here we've got the back seats. Lovely room back here. We've got an armrest. So yeah, all in all, this is a fantastic car at a fantastic price. Ford Ranger, absolutely stunning look. Full year's MOT, HPI clear, amazing condition. Lots and lots of work carried out to it. Tons of paperwork as well. For further information, feel free to call to book a test drive or arrange a viewing. We accept cars in part exchange. Nationwide delivery is also available. Many thanks for watching.